I can see it now. They've got a ninth one heading up. Joe Lesher flying in 228. Oh, we got a Japanese zero straight overhead. There we go, show to the right. Coming straight over center, the highest one up there is a Japanese zero. Nine in the air. Something, I can hear all the guys laughing going, okay, this is going to get ugly. Because what they forgot, and you guys are going to tell you ahead of time, they're all going to run out of fuel about the same time. So it's going to be great watching going, I need to land, no, I need to land, no. Definitely whose ego is bigger. There we go. Sit. I thought it was a zero. It's a high octane. That'll teach you for not naming it. Secret of America,